Oh, there was an explosion here last night. Wow.
This is Oman. And this is also Oman. And this is the Strait of Hormuz. About a fifth of the world's oil moves through here. Every single day. Anyway, here's the plan. Dubai to Khasab, couple hours of desert, one border, and then the real trip starts.
You really help me away, I'ma write this song for you, know. Love everything when you do, baby girl, you're something special. Everything when you look tight, put up in your jeans like I was spite. One ice up your neck like a frostbite. Put the icicle right when your tongue ring. Lollipop, she wants something sweet to make your heart it drops. Gonna lock me like the cops. Shoot out when she turn it round back way. White rum shots, weed and snacks. Purple brown is in the
Caution, border crossing.
Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. This is the perfect time to stop for a little swim. And how many of you have swum in the Strait of Hormuz? So I'll be staying in the Atana Musandam resort, currently headed there. GPS says 4 minutes. Let's see how it's gonna be like. So, we've arrived. So the Omani border was full of military personnel, many military vehicles, but you aren't allowed to film them. So today's the 19th of July, which means it's the World Cup finals, it's Spain against Argentina, so I'll be trying to find a spot in the city center of Khasab to watch the game. Let's see. السلام عليكم. بكم التمور؟ بكم فلوس؟
5 درهم.
5 درهم.
هذا مشكل.
مو مشكلة.
واحد اثنين ثلاثة كلش معلم.
شكرا أخوي شكرا مع السلامة. So let's try some of the dates. Very nice, but sweet. Kumzar is always goated. So there's that guy with the Argentine jersey. Maybe if I follow him, he'll lead me to the match. He didn't lead me to the match. And off we go to Kumzar. Which one?
This new fish market.
Oh, new fish market.
Yes, this port of fishing. All fish are in here.
Okay.
تعال
السلام عليكم. كيف حالك؟
يوسف ياسين.
شرف. So there's barely anyone here. Let's see if we can find a local. Beautiful scenery. What's good, my G? The weather is absolutely boiling. It's about 42 degrees Celsius. السلام عليكم. في بقالة هنا؟ لا. شكرا أخوي. السلام عليكم، كيف حالك؟ ممكن أدفع بالشبكة؟ ولا؟ شكرا.
Alright, time to head back. They speak their own language here, by the way, Kumzari, found nowhere else on Earth. And it gets so hot in summer, most people actually leave for months at a time. After today, I get it. People call this place the Norway of Arabia. Looking at this, I get why. And this strait's still one of the most watched stretches of water on the planet. Saw more than a few of these on the way out. And just like that, Kumzar is already disappearing behind us. This is one of the most remote, most beautiful corners of Oman I've seen. It's not staying a secret forever, so maybe go now while it's still like this.